Bah Wailadmiki ubari Menteri Sarkar berundang aktian keseng NPP. Ula Kyntait iga jingkam keseng BJP bagi ke Khlaiñ bor hapok ke Jylla. Habakrani kelat patai ku bor ke santri ujemang arajar arpuhun rio Bah Wailadmiki Shilla ula pensyai bah kesensyar kadar haga Jylla Meghalaya. Ike berok kisyong haka manupat ba berker kompet ke per namar kesensyar kadar kasyong kambun ha ubrio shimet om ha keseng. Ulai nuksa bagi arngut gidkot ke BJP keberan haki yang dorbar tauan menta kilala banjab bagi election namar ke jingla bagi jing trish dom jakihi kum kibrio om namar keseng. Namar kata ulong bakalong ke babakla menkenok bakeseng ka Khlaiñ namar ke ike berok kisyong hau kertong ubah kiakun. Syushu Bah Wailadmiki Shilla ula penpau bagi jing syania ke bakrau bagi patba kidang yaidon ke jing syania apok ke jing ilam juk menteri rangba bagi arngut ki sembut menteri rangba. Namar ki kampen roy ki belawan haki ni ki sembelalet keba om dan balak banlen. Ulepan pau ke jing syania bopat ba unang ai ya kala diki ban chakri hagi por ki banwan.
That too, I think it's not what to say. I cannot give any comment on that because as you know that in politics it is depend on the mandate of the people. So I think from what I can understand and from what I've seen, I feel that the people are still trusting us under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. And I think like everyone cannot deny that the kind of development which is coming in this past few years under the leadership of our Chief Minister and both the Deputy Chief Minister. So I'm fully confident that people will definitely will be with us and will give us the opportunity to serve them even in the future. I don't know because we have different perspective at it. So definitely for them, I don't know, they have their own way of looking at it. But according to me, I think it's I won't say it cannot be possible, but it is challenging because especially a state like a state as Meghalaya, where we have seen that even right now, even the two members of BJP who are in the assembly, and then even those also they won because of their personal capacity. It's not because of the party. Because in Meghalaya, I have seen that it is not party politics. It is individual politics. So it's depend that what candidate they gonna bring in. So I think that will matter more.
Haka bedai bagi jingmi ke kerteng u James sangma nagabenta kasyuki MP Syaka Raja Sabha. Bah Wailadmiki Shilla ule tu bagi jing peliu jingmut apok keseng gedang yad badhadu menta kidan kumbasau ni santili ki kerteng ke belami hakmat. Ula pensyai bagi dekam jangka hai kaman jangka seng banshi mekarai ke bakat dua. Namar bagi Jylla kedan tangko bagi seat barok kitan kum karilum jantia lani rilum kasi kin kemilenti banyo iu MP nakatan jangki. Mereka sengkan serjet ya ubabet taman ira akimat ke Jylla Syadali. Nalor ka ni halor ka jingmi kubor ba unang ilam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul M Sangma ba unsawan baneso no ba keseng NPP. Bah Wailadmiki Shilla uloong ba muuhi delade umpat dio ekano ka kubor ka batikena. Ndre ula benrap ba ka kamsen syar kadar ye gila banja.
No, the discussion is still on. So no doubt his name has come up. So, but I think it's up to the party high command to sit and finalize on that.
How many names has come up, sir?
As of now, there are 4-5 names have come up, which I think it's not it's very soon for me to share. So I think because it's like I said, it's up to the party high command to sit and decide. No, see, it's like definitely the different area will have their different way of thinking. So definitely, I think it's. Since there is a single seat of Rajya Sabha in the state, so definitely all the region would want. So I think it's not, it won't be new or surprising. I think even from the Kyntait also would want that the MP will be from Kyntait or Khasi or that will be there. But it is up to the party high command to decide whom the party see fit to send to Delhi and to raise our issue of the state.